Hello there, how are you? So you clicked on this video. That means that you are interested in the information I have to provide. So before you go, the fact that I am just sitting in the car does not change the fact that I'm providing very good and accurate information. So I suggest you just keep watching. So you matched and you know where you're going. Congratulations. It's an amazing experience. You will be a physician. Rarely people fell out of residency, so you will be a physician, and that will be your dream come true, or your goal, whatever you want to call it. So I want to do a quick introduction video because in the next few weeks I'll do my best to provide you with some videos that are very valuable regarding what to do with your student loans, refinancing, etc., Roth IRAs accounts, retirement accounts, etc., because these are things that I had to learn and read about myself. So I wanted to provide this information to you so that way it's just easier on you. So now let's say you have 3 to 4 months to get ready before you start residency. So one of the first things I suggest for now is that you do by the way, before I continue, who's this guy talking? Dr. Gonzalez, Facundo. I'm 3 months away from completing my emergency medicine residency. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, etc. Especially hit the bell, that way you know when my videos in finance are coming out, okay? So I was going to say, in the meantime, if you haven't already, you need to complete your taxes. Because your taxes, even though you didn't earn an income, that's fine. You need to complete your taxes, that way you have the information needed to provide to the federal government for whatever plan you choose to use. And also, if you're a student, you might even get money back. I think $1,800 depending on the student package. So it may be smart to actually fill out your taxes for free, TurboTax, H&R Block, etc. So that's my first advice for you in this quick 2-minute video. You can do that right now, and then in the upcoming videos I'll talk about which repayment plan I used during residency, and most of my colleagues did as well. And it's a federal one, which you still should be in a federal one, because as you know, or you may not know, you have 0 interest accumulation until May 1st due to the COVID relief fund, etc. So don't refinance yet, okay? I hope this information is helpful. Keep an eye out for other videos, and do comment below what you want me to cover. I will literally answer your questions and research your questions for you. So just leave comments, okay? Ciao.